Some time ago, people working at Mivi approached me regarding their brand new earbuds. So these are the Duopods A25 earbuds by Mivi. So from the past few days, I have been using them on and off, and this is my honest review. So right after unboxing these earbuds, I was completely blown away because at this particular price segment, it is completely hard to get any Bluetooth earbud, and for that matter, such an amazing pair. Well guys, honestly, I'm such a kind of person who is used to Apple's own AirPods. So for me, to shifting from Apple's own AirPods to these kind of earbuds was definitely a downgrade. But earlier, I have tried various other pairs, but I can clearly tell that this particular one is absolutely amazing. So the attention to detail, first of all, you're having a LED indicator to the charging case. Second, on both of the earbuds, there is small little LED. Suppose if you have placed your earbuds in the case itself, then the LEDs will glow up telling that the earbuds are charging. And in this particular price segment, various other manufacturers try to provide a micro USB port, but with Mivi's, you're getting USB Type-C for charging. So this is highly appreciated. Well guys, at this particular price segment, first of all, it is hard to find even a wired pair, but in this condition, you're getting a wireless pair. Well guys, trust me, in the entire aspect, like for this particular price segment, you're absolutely getting the most value for money. Well, first of all, there are a few downsides. Or at this particular price segment, you're not getting active noise cancellation, the audio quality is not exceptional, and at the same time, the entire build quality is not top of the line. But still guys, at this particular price segment, it is completely hard to imagine that you're getting such a versatile setup. First of all, the entire hinge mechanism is really sturdy, so I can pretty much guarantee you that you will not have a broken hinge, and also it is having a magnetic lid, so the satisfying snap is still present. So right after unboxing these particular earbuds, I was completely blown away because first of all, in this particular price bracket, it is very hard to find even a wired pair of earbuds, but on the other hand, now you're getting a wireless pair. Well guys, see, we all know that there are so many cheap pairs available in the market, around 500 rupees also. You're getting so many amazing pairs, but in a long-term usage, you will have various problems. Like within 1 month or two, you will start to feel some battery-related issues, and after that time onwards, you will absolutely hate all of the cheap type of products. But on the other hand, Mivi is an Indian company, so all of the products are assembled and made in India itself, and they are very proud of the made in India thing. So it is a very good initiative. But if you are talking about the overall product, then I was completely impressed. Well, first of all, in this kind of price bracket, even getting a decently comfortable earbuds is a big challenge. And around this particular price segment, I have seen several earbuds, but the speciality about these particular ones is the USB Type-C port, because with all other companies, they try to opt for the micro USB port, because of which they can get more cost cutting. But with this particular earbuds, you're getting USB Type-C. Well, we all know that this particular earbud is a standard one. Well guys, the overall quality and the value for the money package is absolutely amazing. Well, this doesn't mean that these particular earbuds are all around perfect. I'm talking about the overall price segment. If you will personally ask me, then for an AirPods user, these particular ones are a clear downgrade. In terms of the audio quality also, there is a noticeable difference between Apple's AirPods and these particular ones. But also, the price difference is 1/10 of the AirPods. So overall, if I'm comparing them in terms of the rest of the competition in this segment, then these are absolutely amazing. But this doesn't mean that there are no problems. First of all, I'm kind of not satisfied with the overall plastic. Well guys, the entire build quality is very good, but because of this upper lid, it is made up of really cheap plastic. That's the reason the LED light from the earbuds actually shine through that. So at night, if you are putting the earbuds in the case, then you will see a glowing logo on top of this case. So I feel if Mevi would have opted for an even more harder quality plastic or more translucent one, it would have made way more sense. But still guys, at this kind of price segment, there is no complaint. My second problem with these particular earbuds is the overall rattle. Well guys, I'm always used to the AirPods, so they don't rattle at all. But with these particular ones, they rattle a lot. Suppose if you're having these earbuds in your pocket, then you will constantly hear the rattling noise. So apart from both of these problems, there is nothing major. So in terms of the main purpose of delivering audio on a really nice wide range, it is absolutely amazing. But there is also one more negative point, and that is regarding the overall design. Well, I'm definitely nitpicking at this particular price segment, but still, if you will have these particular earbuds in your pocket will feel way more bulky. And guys, see, if you're okay with all of these small problems, then you will be 100% satisfied with these particular earbuds. Well guys, I must say that for this kind of price segment, earlier it was impossible that you will get such a high quality of earbuds. So guys, see, by no means this particular video is sponsored by Mevi, but they were kind enough to send me a review unit. Well guys, see, my open conclusion is, you can easily buy them in terms of the audio quality, in terms of the Bluetooth range, and overall, as a nice TWS earbuds, these are absolutely amazing. So feel free to buy these particular ones. My overall conclusion is very simple. Well guys, below 2000 rupees, these particular earbuds are absolutely one of the best offerings out there. So definitely, feel free to buy them. And guys, by no means this particular video was sponsored by Mevi. They were kind enough to send me a review unit, and this was my honest review. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.